Hi everyone. We're going to make a simple recipe of salt dough so that we can make our own fossils with our little dinosaur friends that were in our bags. Or if you have other dinosaurs at home, you can also use them. So the first thing we're going to do, it's a very simple recipe. It's 1 cup of salt and 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to pour some flour in here to my measurement, 2 cups. All right. You have 2 cups of flour. And then 1 cup of water. And we're just going to pour that in there. So that's all it is. 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of flour. And we're going to mix this together. When you start to get that salt mixed in it, the flour mixes with the water really easily. The salt's a little bit harder. And we're just going to mix this together. Now, when you get done mixing this together, you're going to have salt dough. And you can take it, and it's kind of like Play-Doh, and play with it and squish it up and down. When we're going to get this mixed with the spoon a little bit, and then I'm going to start kneading it with my hands. And then I'm going to be able to make some fossils with our own little dinosaurs. So I've got this mixed pretty good with the spoon. See how it's mixed in there? And now I'm just going to take my hand, and I'm going to squish it together. And you can tell sometimes it needs a little bit more water or a little bit more flour to make it not so sticky. And this one seems to be a little bit sticky. Oh, there's some down here. I'm going to get all the corners to make sure I'm getting all of it mixed together. And there I'm going to have. Hi everyone. So we've got our salt dough made, and I have my camera leaning down so I can show you. We can take a piece of the salt dough and we can spread it out and push it down. I'll scoot back a little bit so you can see. Just kind of like Play-Doh. And you can take a dinosaur and you can make dinosaur footprints that they might have found and make your own fossil with the footprints. See, I'll pull this up. And you can leave these to dry. Let's see. You can leave these to dry and they'll dry like a stone. You can also take and try and make an impression of your dinosaur that you got. And we're going to put this down on the ground. It's a little bit thicker and bigger piece here. But I'm going to try and get an impression of my dinosaur. I'm going to push them down in there. And then I'm going to pull them up. And maybe I'll make a T-Rex one over here. Let's see. Like they fell down sideways. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, those look pretty good. Now this one's probably going to take a little bit longer to dry because it's a little bit bigger and a little bit thicker. But you can see my dinosaur. Let's see. My dinosaur fossils are in there. It's pretty neat, isn't it? And then this is going to dry overnight, maybe a day or two. It just air dries, and then you will have little stone-like shapes with your homemade fossils. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Bye.